Hello everyone! Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll provide you with a clear and concise guide on setting up the CM Tunnel Lite application on your Android device. This setup will enable a more secure connection for your mobile device. Let's get started. 1. Installing CM Tunnel Lite. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type CM Tunnel Lite. Carefully confirm that the app name and icon match the official application before proceeding. This helps prevent the installation of fake or potentially harmful apps. Tap Install to download and install the CM Tunnel Lite application. 2. Opening the application. Once the installation is complete, locate the CM Tunnel Lite icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tap the icon to open the application. 3. Checking for updates. Before configuring the connection, it's important to ensure you have the latest version of the application. Tap the three dots located in the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. Select Updates from the menu and allow the application to check for and install any available updates. This process may take a few moments. 4. Configuring the server. After the application is updated, return to the main interface. Here, you'll want to select the server. For most users, the Auto Select Server option is the best choice. This will automatically connect you to the fastest and most stable server available. 5. Selecting the connection method. Next, you'll need to choose your connection method. Select UDP as your preferred connection protocol. 6. Enabling UDP. Ensure that UDP is enabled by checking or enabling the appropriate checkbox or switch within the application. 7. Connecting to the server. Finally, tap the Start or Connect button to initiate the connection process. 8. Establishing the connection. Allow the application a few moments to establish the secure connection. Once connected, you should see a confirmation message or icon. Congratulations! You have successfully configured the CM Tunnel Lite application on your Android device for a more secure connection. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more useful content. Also, feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or if there were any steps you didn't understand. Your feedback is greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching.